if you know parallel properties of a line, you can be able to find a solution to this question. Question 37, WASSCE 2025, Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students. We have to find the equation of a line parallel to this line with this equation, which passes through a point this. So if we have our, let's say we have our Cartesian plane, not drawn to scale anyway, I want to just make a sketch. So if I have a line, I think this, your gradient is going to be, no, your intercept is going to be on -4. So let's say I have this one. So this is the equation as 6x minus 4, sorry, I think that will be 2y equals to 4. Then this particular line that is parallel to this is passing through a particular point, which is -1 on the x-axis. So let's say I have a point here. So -1 and what? 7. Now, before I can find equation of this very line, the equation of this line is already known. Before I can find the equation of this, I just need one point on the line, which is given to me, and the gradient of that line. But we know that if I am looking for gradient of this line, the gradient of the two lines are equal if they are parallel. So we can say that gradient M1 equals what? Gradient what? M2. So I just need a gradient here, which I can find from here. So I can only say that from 6x minus 2y equals to 4, rewriting this equation to be in the slope-intercept form, I can find the gradient easily. So what do? I transpose this and bring in this. So this becomes 2y equals to 6x minus what? 4. Check it carefully. This is... You carry me. Check it carefully. This is minus 2y, which is coming to become positive 2y. 6x remain at where it is, then positive become negative. So now we divide both sides by 2. So from here, your y is going to be equals to 3x minus what? 2. Then that means that your M2, which is the gradient, will become 3. This is the gradient. So therefore, M1 is what? Also what? 3. Then we are going to, using the point -1, 7, okay, let's see, into, let's say, y minus y1 equals to mx minus what? X1. We are going to substitute that point and the gradient into that, that is point intercept form or point slope form. I think so, point intercept form of equation. So y and x are part of the equation, just like we are seeing y and x. Then y1 and x1 are the points given to you, where m is what? The gradient. So let's see. That becomes y minus y1, 7, gradient 3, x minus x1, -1. Let's move further. Y minus 7, 3x plus 1, negative become positive. Let's expand this. That will give you y minus 7, 3x plus what? 3. Here's what we do. Let's transpose this. Become y equals to 3x plus 3. This is coming here as what? Plus 7. Making y equals to 3x plus what? 10. Remember the gradient we had was 3, which is still 3 here. So this is the intercept. Let's check which option that will give us. I think that would be the option what? A. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.